Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the correct way to use a knife. When it comes to knife skills, having good ones is super important. So first thing I'm going to go over is how to position yourself when you're cutting. You always want to be facing directly straight on to your cutting board. So that means your knees and your shoulders are facing the table. I always see people like doing this twisting motion when they try to cut, and that's just going to hurt your back. So when we're cutting, we always want to make sure that we are just directly straight on facing our cutting board. The next thing you want to make sure you know how to do is the correct way to hold your knife. This is a chef's knife. It is sharp, but if you use it correctly, it's incredibly powerful. So just to go over the parts of the knife, this is the tip, obviously. This is the blade right here. This part is called the handle, and this right here is the spine. When we hold our knife, what we're going to do is pinch right here in between the blade and the handle, and then we're going to wrap our fingers around the handle. I see a lot of people doing this move where they put their finger across the spine, and it's not safe because you don't have very good control over your blade. We want to have excellent control over the blade, so we're going to pinch and wrap. This is how your knife should look when you're holding it. And you hold it in your dominant hand. And then with your other hand, you're going to make a little rainbow or the letter C. And always tuck your fingers in. Because if your fingers are out and you slip, that's bad. So we're just going to tuck our fingers in, the shape of a C, pinch, wrap, and we're ready to go. I'll see you guys in the next video as we learn how to cut fruits and vegetables.